Since the beginning of time, nature has been flourishing, thriving, blossoming, its beauty perpetually unfolding. Her exquisite elements for years have been left on their own to flawlessly bloom, untouched by humanity. And though the world has turned a million times, nature's potential has remained unharnessed, her secrets undiscovered. Until now. Introducing a revolutionary gift bestowed upon us by nature herself. Steps, the skincare line that gathers nature's very best. Her most potent and pure ingredients, harnessed and perfected through the resources of modern technology, to share with us her unparalleled beauty. The perfect balance of science and nature's finest is finally here. Steps, Dermabotanic Skincare.